how to organize Google Tasks like a pro. So hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Google Tasks perfectly. So first of all you have to head over to task.google.com, this address here. So after visiting this site, here you can see this create option at the top left corner. Tap on to create, and from there you have to add a perfect title for your task. For example, the fun tasks. Now you have to add date for it. Then you can choose all day or not, and you can choose whether you want to repeat it or not. Now you have to enter a description, for example this ones, and you can add a long descriptions to it. Now you can choose it as my task now, then you can save it. And on the fun task you can add emojis like this to make it more eye-catching and perfect. Now you can choose it. As you can see, my task has been added. Now let's say that you want to add more tasks. Let me delete this one. Okay, now let's add more tasks to it. For example, I'm gonna add this task urgently, so just choose urgent, and from there you can choose more details of it here, and you can add emojis so that you understand it more quickly. Okay, now you can add a description. You can choose its time for today or tomorrow. Then from here you can add it to a starred or add subtasks and many things. So this is how you can add more tasks. Like you can add more tasks from here, and you can create as much as tasks you want. So that's it. This is how you can create attractive and perfect tasks as I just showed you. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on to another video.